You're a star. Thank you very much, my friend.
You're welcome.
I wish you the best next couple of days. Have a Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Cheers. Cheers.
Can I do a goofy smile on camera?
Of course you can.
Mason, don't do that.
The worst part.
I've done it before.
You're a star. Thank you very much, my friend.
You're welcome.
I wish you the best next couple of days. Have a Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Cheers. Cheers.
Does your colleague want one as well?
I think she's fine.
I'm fine, thank you though, I'm fine.
Thank you.
She'll regret it. She'll regret it.
Should we regret it?
Yeah, she'll do that.
It'll warm you up.
Jaywick today.
Just Jaywick, really.
So it is actually Jaywick?
Yeah, I'll say this is the Jaywick part, yeah.
Alright, cool. Say nothing. We're just going to walk through them, mate.
Enjoy, boys.
Yeah. Alright, nice one. Yeah,
man.
Sick. Look, people like good vibes. Alright, we're gonna be in town then.
It's mad that we've come to Jaywick and found someone from the
Yeah.
locals.
Yeah.
It's mad, that's good.
It's just down there.
We can get a few of that if you want. You want a few?
What's that, mate?
Ringo Vision.
Yeah, no, you said earlier.
Yeah, dinner will be ready. Dinner will be ready very soon. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah, nice one.
I
His hospitality has been absolutely amazing. Woo, just tell everyone a little bit about Jaywick some more, and then.
Jaywick's alright, it's a good place really. Come down here, you love the holidays down here in the summer. You know, everyone flocks down here in the summer all the time. But winter.
Got yam, sweet potato, Irish potato.
Cushion for that guy?
Yeah, good vibes, good vibes. We've got scallion in there, everything's in there, some tomatoes in there. So we're kind of like almost just ready to start serving up in about 5 minutes now. Now the upra's gone in. Yes, everybody, we finally reached here where Jaywick-on-Sea people, yeah. Just have a look around, the sea's right here in front of us. It's a wet day, it's winter. Come, let's have a little walk. Yeah, man, I haven't been here before, people, yeah. I've had a lot of research and I've done a lot of research, and it said that it's got a population of 4,000 people. So we want to try and connect with as much people as we can today, everybody, yeah. Look out for the rest of the video. We're actually here, Jaywick-on-Sea people, yeah. Our good vibes. You know what's going to happen today, people, yeah. We're going to try and feed some people, and the mission continues. And thank you to each and every one of you that has been on the journey with us and that is supporting. You saw the Christmas dinner. The Christmas dinner was absolutely amazing. Adam's here on camera today, people, yeah, so big up Adam, our good vibes. I see you guys in a little while. That is it. Lucky.
Yo.
We're here, we're out of Croydon, mate. And we're here,
mate.
we're Jaywick-on-Sea.
We're in Jaywick. We're going to look at helping people out. See what it can do.
It's wet weather today, isn't it?
It's a bit wet weather, but I'm sure they want a bit of hot food for Ringo.
That is it, our good vibes.
Good vibes.
Right, before we start the work, people, yeah. Adam, what are you going to do? You getting in? Adam wants to touch some seawater, why not? We're here, Jaywick-on-Sea. I'm gonna drive, I'm gonna join him as well, people, yeah? Why not? Why not, mate? We come down.
Pick up a little souvenir.
Yeah, that is it.
Yes.
Yeah, look, we come down to the sea and one love, 24-hour kitchen cooking, yeah. That is it. Touch the seawater quickly. He's here. Jaywick-on-Sea. Alright. Let's get down to some business now, people, yeah? And the mission continues. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you that has been contributing and that has been sending through things and that has been donating to the channel, especially through to the GoFundMe, people. You guys have been supporting, and there's things like this that's going to be happening. You guys are supporting journeys like this, big movements like this. We've come all the way out of London and we've travelled like 2 hours literally away from home, and we're in a totally different place right now today, and we're going to do the mission. We've brought the mission now on the road, people, yeah, and this is all on the support, on the help of you guys. Soon we'll have a food truck on the road. You guys are going to make it possible, and we're going to make it happen, and we're going to cover England, yeah, and we're going to spread the love and bring back the joy amongst humanity, people, yeah. that is it. Our good vibes. Let's get involved with Jaywick right now and try and connect with some locals. It's the first sign of we're here, Jaywick-on-Sea, and we're looking around the town, but right on the coastline here we spotted a tent. Don't know if there's anybody home, but there's a few set up right here. But alright, we'll come back later on, but we're right here, Jaywick-on-Sea. Yeah, so we've just come here just to check to see if there's anybody home, but there's nobody here. But you can see that it's a living premises, somebody's living right here at the front of the sea. But we're going to go back into town, people here, and just see what I want. Yes, everybody, so we're on the mission. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. Me, Adam, and Lucky. Should we walk down through this lane here? This is the first lane. But let's just check it out anyway. Me, Adam, and Lucky, we're just going to be here and we're just checking out Jaywick right now, people, yeah? So look out for the next coming videos that's going to be coming out on Jaywick, people, yeah? Our good vibes, that is it.
Good vibes.
How you doing, mate? What is it like to live in Jaywick? How long have you lived there?
I've been here 3 years, she's been here 7.
Okay, so basically we've come all the way from London and we've got like some Croydon, and we've come down here with our pots and our pans with some ingredients, fresh ingredients from the from our local market to make some vegetable soup for the locals here today.
What are you doing there?
Where we're going to be doing it?
We're not sure at the moment. If you can show us a good spot.
Now I wouldn't know where it is.
What's it like living down there?
It's alright unless it's like fireworks night or someone's birthday. When it gets loud, it gets fucking loud.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's alright.
It's a quiet little town.
What?
What's the population like here?
I haven't got a clue.
Well, I done a
Don't stay out of everybody's way.
I done a research online and it said that the population is about 4,000 people here in the little town.
Well, we just moved from this one to over the back where it's quiet.
Yeah. Is it what?
Hopefully it'll be quiet.
What? Living here, what's the expense like daily? Roughly, how much does it cost to live here?
You're talking to a man that hands everything over to her. She deals with it. She got a problem, she tells me. Otherwise, I just sit down at the right time and have my dinner.
I respect.
I'm house trained.
I respect that. I respect that. Have a good day, mate. I see that you're cleaning up the yard today, so.
In the car park, when you come in, there's a little curtain shop, Sweet Tina's.
Yeah.
I think there's it's a council car park opposite.
Right.
I don't think anyone would take any notice if you was in there.
Oh, what, to cook?
Yeah.
Go on, say that again. Tell Adam.
Yes.
Adam, go
Where
on.
we going?
Sweet Tina's is a car park.
So opposite Sweet Cleaners.
Sweet Tina's. Sweet Tina's.
Yeah, we've got a car park. We're going to be going there.
On your way out, you go down the slope past the new shit, the new shops. There's a car park right there. That's never full, never.
Where could we locate a shopping trolley?
Still one from a supermarket. That's what
Where's the local?
Just keep going.
Where's the local supermarket?
They got fucked down here. Clacton.
Okay, so out of town basically. All right, so we're gonna find some.
Minutes in the car all that and that. You wouldn't want to walk it.
Yeah.
All right, people. Listen, nice meeting you, mate. Respect.
Have a great day, mate.
If I see you all set up, I might stop.
Yeah.
Keep up with the good stuff.
Dinner's on us today.
We'll come back and give you some food.
Yeah. That's it. Yes, people. So, yeah, man. A good little introduction to Jaywick there.
That's got to be a motor and a half.
Yeah. Look at these little lanes. Yeah, so we're just walking. So the place is, yeah, this is what the place is like so far. There's a lot of caravans that I've bumped into. What would you call these type of houses, Adam?
I'd say they're sort of small bungalows, almost cottages.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's some roofing going on out here as well. You right, lads? Yeah, nice, sweet. So look, there's nice little small tiny houses here. but they're still doing some roofing and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, man. Good vibes. Just walking through right now.
Oh, that's a nice little motor there.
Got one.
No. Holding up.
Yeah, it's holding up.
Yeah. This is where's this taking us out? So we're out here now. I think that's another side there. Let's go on this side. Let's go up the next lane, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should we walk across the park?
And go down. Yeah, because it seems like there's go up one, down one, up one, down one, innit? Yeah. Good vibes, people. Yeah, so we're outside. Right? We've got some firewood there.
Yeah. We've got to take that home, get the fire burning.
All right, people. So, yeah, man. A day out here in Jaywick. This looks like a power station here that's powering the little town here. Right there. So, yeah, man, we're just going to go up through here. People, yeah. Good vibes, the next little lane. So there's quite a few lanes, so we can just walk through on the outskirts and check the next.
This way we go.
Yeah, we can check the next one.
We're doing the next one.
Next one, yeah?
Yeah. What do you say, Lucky? Tell me. Tell them, Lucky. Look, we up in Jaywick, yeah. Is this a Rover, Lucky? I just thought I'd show you guys this one here. It's a Rover, you know.
What a motor.
Okay, it's beautiful.
The way the houses are built here, it's a bit different. You can see that it is kind of, it is rough though, still, isn't
It's not
it?
quite brickwork, it looks different.
Like a bit of like wood and then rendered off with some like cement and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Like a cemented finish. Yeah. That's cool. What do you guys do? Just pick up the local rubbish and that?
Yeah, like drop rubbish bins off. What's up?
Okay. No. We just come from Croydon, innit? We're just trying to find some locals and cook some food for some locals, innit? Because we heard that's a rough area and that.
Oh, right.
So we come up here with our pots and that today.
Oh yeah, you probably find loads of people down these roads. I ain't gonna lie to you.
No, but where could you? Because we're walking through first, but we've got our pots and pans as well in the car.
All right, okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna cook some food for the locals or whoever's got a hungry mouth today. We're gonna cook some Jamaican soup for them.
Oh yeah, that'd be nice for him, yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Lovely stuff.
Yeah, probably
Spread
just,
the word, man.
yeah, just walk down these bits.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. We just walk from the bottom, or we're just gonna walk all the way up to the top.
Yeah, you'll probably see quite a
Which
few
is the
people.
best way to go, though, right? The shanty huts are more.
You'll probably find more people around these roads.
Yeah.
A lot more people hanging out.
Yeah.
Going down towards.
What's this actually called? Because we don't actually know. We just know that we just typed on the sat nav. We're going Jaywick today.
Just Jaywick, really.
So it is actually Jaywick.
Yeah, I'd say this is the Jaywick part, yeah.
Alright, cool. Say nothing. We're just gonna walk through there, mate.
Enjoy, boys.
Yeah. Alright, nice one. Yeah.
Have a good day, yeah?
And look, this looks like it's a piece of land for sale as well, maybe.
Yeah, exactly.
Little plot of land. Well, because that seems like, I don't know, there was something there before. Steps.
Definitely tell the buildings ain't made of bricks in there.
Yeah. And look, that's off the ground.
I know you meant, hold on.
Yeah, people. We're in Jaywick. We're in Jaywick. So there's a lot of stuff just dashed down.
Yeah.
Like a lot of stuff just look like things are just flung down. Like things are just flung. Cause remember it's a seaside. We're on the sea coast as well.
Yeah.
As much as you see like we're at a seaside town, bro.
Yeah.
This is like equivalent to like a Brighton. Let's take a look. Let's take a look.
It's been there for a little while.
And it's not been moved.
Definitely been there.
Look, this is where look. This, another little part as well. Look, seems like what's that? Washing machine.
Fridge freezers.
Fridge freezers. Is that for the council? So the council's left it like that.
Oh.
Are they going to move it? No.
How long would you say it's been like that?
About 3-4 years.
3-4 years?
No way.
Blimey.
So you see that little piece of land there? Is that something like you can piece of land?
Right. Yeah, it's up for sale.
Like-
It's up when you've got plans for 2 bungalows.
Roughly how much? How much is a piece of?
I think it was 50,000 it was for the land.
50,000.
Blimey.
Yeah, but you can get a bungalow and stuff already built for 21 grand. You put 2 of them on there, and then.
Yeah, but how much you have to pay for the plot?
Yeah, because it's already got building permission.
Okay.
I think it's 3 plots really.
Yeah.
There and things like this. But I mean, if you buy that, then you can bet these already prefabricated ones coming to us.
Yeah.
And just bought them. And we arranged for taking all the bad ones down here, down, and then putting them on there. 21 grand we wanted off the council.
Yeah.
And said, you know, they've got nice housing. No, we won't even do that. We got the roads done. We got all the insulation done on the properties. We've got central heating, you know, the air.
What's it like here in Jaywick?
I think. Well, I've been here 25 years.
25 years.
Well,
So
it's all right. It's certain people
yeah.
come and go. And
Yeah.
got rid of the bad ones, and then the council sort of move other people in.
So is there
Nothing really bad.
what's the local council called?
The local tendering.
Say that again.
Tendering.
Tendering.
Tendering
Yeah.
Council.
Tendering council.
Tendering Council.
Okay. Are they any good?
I think.
Are
Yeah,
they
well, you know, they didn't do anything down here. We got all the money to do the roads. We got all the money to do the windows, installation, full central heating,
Yeah.
like that off the fine.
So
got the electricity
where
board.
do we find the most poverty?
No poverty.
Yeah, the worst stricken area around here.
So this is it.
This is it.
Well, we're here, are we?
What would you say your experience is living down there and being down there?
Well, you know, seems normal. It doesn't seem to matter where I live. I'm originally from Walton. I think we've got the same problems there.
Would you like it if we cooked us some food tonight?
Because we come from London today, and we've got our pots and pans with some fresh fruits and vegetables from the market and from our local market in Croydon, and we wanted to cook some Caribbean soup today.
Well, I'm all right, you know. I mean, I'm
Yeah.
a pensioner, so I get enough money.
Yeah. But it's good to speak to someone like. Is this your house here?
No, yeah.
Whoa. So this is your spot here.
Yeah, 2 of them. Converted into one.
Okay, nice. And so obviously you've been here for 25 years. So look, being here in Jaywick, this is like a nice setup, people, because this is actually in the.
That one's been built as well. That's all up from one thing. Same as that one. See, quite a few of the one at the end. That one, she's only just moved out, I think, but that's nice as well. That's proper.
So how much is roughly to buy a property like that?
Oh, a big one?
Yeah.
Oh, about 250.
1,000?
Yeah. If you go down the front, they've built some new ones there and stuff, and they're up for 350,000. So nobody can afford to buy them, really.
So look, living here, you're living in an expensive property that's just like maybe like a bungalow.
Yeah.
And it's costing the price that prices will cost in London. That's crazy.
Well, no,
Look, you get a nice, studio in London for that price.
In London you get.
Not in the city of London, but on the outside.
You'd only
Like,
get.
but then that's what we're classed as, you see. We're only on the outside. You're not long getting into London.
no, of course not. Of course
Go
not.
down the A12, you know, it takes you.
But it's shocking to know that there's a lot of poverty here, but at the same time, because
because landlords on them. You've got one landlord that's got 125 of them.
Yeah.
And things like this, and he rents them out and stuff like this. And now the rents are going up, so a few people have had to move out.
So how much is the rent a week?
Over 700, about 750.
750 a week.
No, a month.
A month.
Looking at the same as like not even a studio flat in London.
It's a bit cute for people to get these here.
Yeah.
Because we're on the beach as well.
Okay, right. Remember,
So private.
And that's the thing about it as well. The dynamics of it, everybody. Yeah, we're actually right here on the beach as well. So the beach is right in front of us down there. So the price is going to be a bit pricey because you're on the beachfront.
Yeah.
So what's the job like? How do you accumulate money here?
Oh, well, I'm a pensioner now and things like that.
But other young.
My wife works nights. She's a carer. And she retires in January.
So is there many youngsters or?
Yeah, about your age and stuff like that.
Is there jobs in Jaywick? Actual Jaywick here?
Yeah, around here. Yeah, you'll see them walk through the alleyways and all stuff.
What kind of jobs?
None. They don't work.
No jobs. You have to actually go out of town to get a job.
I think. What you do for me, yeah. Yeah, there's only but like building work. If you come in and do somebody's property up for them, I think there's quite a bit of that was going on.
Mate, thanks a lot for your time today. We're going to be travelling through Jaywick. Yeah. Yeah.
But you know, I'm disabled and stuff like this. I've only got one leg.
Where does that alleyway take us down here?
All the way through, you go across the road into the next road, and then you see the alleyway, which is an alleyway goes all the way through.
Yeah.
This is Brooklands anyway, not Jaywick.
Right, so Jaywick is
yeah, where the post office is.
All right. We're going to take a walk through the alleyway. A good vibe. So it was actually nice talking to that gentleman. The people them are kind of like friendly, not kind of like they're friendly down there. easy to talk to.
Yes, definitely.
Very easy to speak to. Well spoken as well. And look, my man here has got bread. Because look, my man's got bread. Like, he's got like 2 properties. He's converted his.
Oh, someone else here. There we are.
Yeah.
Hey, he's been watching you all the way from Jaywick. Croydon's reached as far as Jaywick.
How you doing? You alright?
The love spreading.
Oh wow! Look at this.
The good vibes are coming.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're Adam, boy.
You alright?
How you doing? Yeah,
Hello, mate. You alright, bro?
Mate.
You alright?
Nice to see you, man.
Sorry, I did that again, bro. You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm from Abington as well.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
Oh,
Do you want to have a little snippet on a video?
John in here can put me on there. If you want to do work with you, that's
Come down.
Yeah.
Come down with
So
some
look at that,
food.
guys. Yeah, look, we're actually in Jaywick, and this gentleman says he's been watching us on the
Yeah,
YouTube.
that's it, mate. You've been on there, mate.
So, look, could you point us where we can go and get some food to, like, we want to cook, we want to feed, you know what we do, we want to feed the locals.
Well, there's a lot of homeless. Where you doing it? In Clacton or in Jaywick?
In actual Jaywick.
In
You know where the community
Jaywick.
centre is?
There's not really homeless people around here. It's more Clacton.
People
Yeah.
would like food, wouldn't they?
Oh, they'd like food. The Sunspot would be a good space.
Sunspot, yeah.
If everyone walks
We'll
by
bring
and all
some nice
that.
food from Croydon.
Yeah.
How far is that?
Just down the road here. Just
Yeah,
down the road.
we passed it on the way up.
Yeah.
Sunspot.
Yeah,
Go through the
Sunspot
alleyway.
sounds good, yeah.
Alright, so look, we're gonna go to the Sunspot
You
and
know
probably
where the
set
middle
up.
is?
Yeah,
Just along here, on top you see it.
Yeah.
The big centre place, that's the community centre.
Yeah.
You go in there,
Oh,
they've got,
Adam said
Infusion,
that
the infusion place.
yeah.
Yeah.
Just down here. Come on, mate.
Community and all stuff, yeah.
Alright,
And
good.
you've got a cook and everything.
Yeah, we've got the cooker, we've got gas burners, we've got everything.
Yeah, I
We
know
had
it's
a
good, isn't
party
it?
in there for my daughter, because she went out to
You've
Australia.
already seen me on there most times.
Yeah, I've seen everyone on there.
He's a Scotch bonnet, man.
Oh, yeah?
I was the one that done the 4 Scotch bonnets.
Oh, what, the 8 them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sick, look, people like good vibes. Alright, we're gonna be in town then.
It's mad that we've come to Jaywick and found someone from the
Yeah.
locals.
Yeah.
mad, that's
It's just down there.
Community centre.
Community centre there, or there's Sunspot, just round the corner.
Are you going to come down and grab some food?
Yeah, what time? What time?
Probably about 2
We're just going to have a
hours.
walk
2
around.
hours?
Yeah.
And
Right, I might. I've got
Yeah, I'll
pocket
show you where
if I make it.
Yeah.
Well, he's not. He's talking about the...
One second. Listen, nice to meet you, mate.
Thank you.
Yeah,
mate,
thank you
I'll
very
come
much,
down,
yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. You look from Abington?
Croydon.
I'm struggling.
Our good vibes, Jaywick people, yeah. It's been a
It's
good...
very much like anywhere else, you know. You've got the rough ones and you've got the not so rough,
Yeah,
I think, you know. I mean, we have been friends for 12 years. And stuff.
yeah,
He lives next door, and he's, you know, if there's a problem or anything,
Yeah.
then he's right there
yeah.
to
Yeah, nice,
help sort it out.
nice. And you said that there was a lady that was just living here.
Oh, look, yeah, they've moved out.
She's a nice house here.
Yeah, it's a big house. It was up for sale when I moved down here 25 years ago for 180,000,
Yeah,
I think. It's not cheap. Look, it's like this land here.
yeah,
We took all the buildings down here because they got burnt out because the landlord rented them out to the rough ones.
yeah.
And so we got them all taken down. He got 5 years to rebuild, and he was watching us flying his helicopter around,
Oh wow.
I think. And then, yeah, and it's just like that.
So, how much is it to buy a piece of land like this?
Well, I mean, each plot is about, it'd be about, I don't know, there's 4 on there. 5 plots.
Yeah.
For building, so you take it, you know, it's going to be about, 40,000 for each plot.
Okay, 40,000 for each plot.
But that's what they're wanting.
Yeah,
That's why the council won't do anything down here.
Yeah.
You look over there.
yeah.
That is a bit, we spent 10 million on it.
Okay. You're right. This.
You can see from here, but if you go there, there's a big bay all the way around.
Yeah.
In a circle.
Yeah.
We've had rocks put in. The tide used to come crashing over this wall and it doesn't anymore.
Okay.
We pushed it out so it washes Norfolk away.
Yeah. Okay.
But they knew that and that's what they wanted.
Okay, so basically, they've spent a lot of money down here in Jaywick, but not yet spent money on the...
Well, we spent, you know, a good few million on doing the house. All the been rendered.
Yeah.
The new roofs, they've got all the new, and you've got the full central heating there, you know, which is the warm air,
Yeah.
which is the new stuff that everybody's got to go to.
Yeah.
That alone for the heating element is £10,000.
It's expensive.
It's nothing cheap.
Nothing cheap
nowadays.
Yeah. So look, as you can see, people, yeah, as much as the place looks and how it looks down there, it's still an expense to live down here. Yeah.
Compared to what it was doing up before.
Woo.
Idiots like that.
Yeah. Alright, we'll see you in a bit.
This is Ringo.
How you doing? You alright, yeah?
Ringo cooks
Come down,
soup
cook
and
some
everything.
food.
Respect, respect.
How's it going?
How you doing, Mum? You alright? Good vibes.
Hello there.
Hey, how you doing? You alright, yeah? Good vibes.
Hey.
How you doing?
Yo, that is
How you
it.
doing? I'm lucky.
How you doing, bro? You alright, yeah?
Good man.
Bless, bless. Yeah, so yeah, we're just going to be cooking some Caribbean food today. Yeah, some Jamaican soup.
You doing dumplings, are you?
All of that kind of stuff there, mate.
But
we're gonna
too much half curry goat, innit?
we could have done a curry goat, but we're gonna do a soup.
Yeah, we've got a lovely soup. Nice and
Lovely soup today. So we're just gonna go up there and just set up by the
Trust me, you'll love it.
by the tunnel.
Yeah, I miss all the Caribbean food. I'm from Tottenham, bro.
Tottenham.
Hey, another fellow Londoner.
Look, bro, we've got the good stuff.
You're in the right place for that.
Yeah, whereabouts should we be? Where should we post?
People say Riley, but I think Elvis is the worst.
Yeah? What, should we post?
How long you been there?
I've been in Jay Clacton 9 years.
Yeah.
Jaywick 3 years. Best place I've ever lived though, for community.
For community.
Very good community, yeah. Best place I've ever lived.
Good vibes. Good vibes.
Good vibes.
This is all neighbours, they're all neighbours.
Yeah.
Yes, people. So look, we're gonna set off the pot today and cook some soup and just flavour up Jaywick. You understand? Leave some Caribbean flavours here in Jaywick today, people. Yeah. I wish I bought the jerk pan with the jerk chicken. We had our Christmas dinner on Saturday. We had the jerk chicken now. Yeah, we had the jerk chicken. We're from Croydon. Yeah, we're from Croydon.
A guy called Corey Lewis.
No, I'm not too sure. Alright,
You up, innit? You're doing a good thing, bro.
yeah, man, respect, man.
You see what my boy is doing?
Yeah.
So,
You look like
Go
what?
through all the alleyways.
Let's put my bun back up.
yeah?
You know what I mean?
Alright, we're gonna go. Alright, so, that's the caravan there, yeah?
Your trailer, yeah?
Yeah, mate.
Alright, good vibes. Good vibes. So what's happening now, yeah? It's wet, it's raining, coming like a lot of people's tucked away. But the gentleman just said here, he's noticed us from the YouTube and stuff like that. So he's gonna let us use the caravan and we can probably cook from the caravan, people, yeah? So we're getting some proper, warm, loving welcome here in Jaywick, people, yeah? Even though the place is deprived, there's a big togetherness and a warm, loving community down here in Jaywick, Sedway. I'm out here in the rain, people, yeah? But a good vibe, Sedway. You understand? That is it. We're outside. So we've got a caravan here. Good vibes, good vibes. Looks like we've got a warm welcome in here in Jaywick, people, yeah? We've been given a caravan. Like, what better than this could you get, people? We've come here down to Jaywick and we've been offered a caravan to use. We've been given hospitality, people, yeah? That is love, you understand? So our good vibes. So yeah, we're going to be based here. And this gentleman there, he's going to go and get some locals and we're going to cook some food right here, people, yeah, right in Jaywick, you understand? That is it. Yeah, man. They said that this town here, this place here is one of the worst place here in the UK, one of the worst deprived place here in the UK. As you can see, a lot of houses are derelict out here, people, yeah? So our good vibes, we've got a next neighbour there. Yeah, man, that is it. We're just going to go up in town quickly and just show you a little bit more around. And then, yeah, man, we're here. We're in Jaywick, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Alright, we'll see you back in about 20 minutes. Yeah, woo. That's it. Lucky, I know you're comfortable, but let's go up and come back. Good vibe.
They'll be back in a minute. Get all the ingredients. Oh, we've got them. Oh, you got them. Where are you going to get your boots?
We can get a few of that if you want. You want a few?
What's that, mate?
Right, everyone, so we've just come to a little off license and this is what it looks like. Yeah, man, we didn't even think it was an off license, but let's get in. It's a post office as well.
I'll see you in a bit.
So, mate. Looks very different on the inside though.
Very different.
Yeah.
Nice small little tucked-away shop.
Yep. Wonder if they got what we're looking for.
All the essentials.
Well, I want a packet of these anyway. Good stuff. That will do me. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Good vibes. Mate.
Red little town, it's nice. Lovely down there. Just,
It is nice down there, but
we don't realise what we have. Like some people, they've, you know.
it's funny, it look like it got burnt down.
Yeah.
Man. We don't know what happened here, but what I'm trying to say is like, in and around the little town of Jaywick, it's not a lie what I've been seeing though, of the way it looks. It does look.
Yeah,
like when I looked online and I checked it out on the Google, yeah, it does have the same appearance.
Lovely people though.
But the people them are absolutely amazing. But the place has absolutely been deprived, like big time. Big time. But yeah man, we're on the journey people, yeah. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the ins and outs, the backgrounds, the little alleyways and things like that. Are good vibes. Alright, so we just pulled up just to show you that there is some local shops here. Like you've got fish and chips, you've got a local Morrison's, which is like a convenience store people, yeah. So yeah man, a good vibe, Sedway. So even though the place is deprived, and we can see that in the flesh in itself, but it's still got a community of people that's caring, loving, and all them kind of things there, Sedway people, yeah. I've met a lot of pleasant people, no matter what I've heard about this place and what I've seen and how I've seen it. My own prospects on this place here. It's a nice place, it's a nice community, Sedway. You understand people? Are good vibes. Yes everybody, welcome to the program. Guess where I'm going right now? So we've actually found a spot and I'm here and I'm in Jaywick people. Look, Adam's here with me. Good vibes everybody, yeah. So guess what? The kitchen's actually here in Jaywick. Let's come out the way because some cars are coming right now. I can show the people I'm coming to. Good vibes, that is it. Go on.
All good.
You alright mate?
All good mate.
Alright, so good vibes, yeah, so some locals are passing through. So what's happening right now, people, yeah? We're just going to kick off the kitchen and we're going to cook the authentic vegetable soup right here in Jaywick and hopefully feed some locals, you understand people? There's not much homeless people here in the town of Jaywick that we've come across. We haven't seen any, but the place is deprived. As you can see, the building right behind us, it's in non-use, but there's a house here, people, yeah. And as you go up the street as well, there's empty land there for sale and stuff like that, and there's an empty house at the end of the street as well. You understand? Adam, you're my assistant in the kitchen today, so so what I want you to do is get me some water so that I can just wash off the pumpkin and put the pumpkin in the pot. Yeah man, a good vibe. That's it.
Wash off everything.
Yeah. Alright everybody, so what I'm doing right now, yeah, I'm just cutting up the pumpkin, yeah, and just preparing this to go into the pot. So what we're doing today, yeah, we're making some vegetable soup. Yeah man, good vibes now. We're here in Jaywick and I'm actually excited to cook here in Jaywick, people, yeah. And I hope you guys are excited that I actually brought you lot down here as well. Good vibes, big up yourself, that is it. So Adam's here with me. So Adam's my assistant.
Yes,
come in Adam. So we're just gonna use the garden. Just wash up in the garden for food. Yeah man, that is it. Good vibes. Nice. Alright, so look, pumpkin now. Just cut the pumpkin. Put some pumpkin in the pot.
Good.
And I think I'm going to put a bit more pumpkin in the pot, people, yeah? Good vibes. Alright everyone, so what I'm doing right now, yeah, watch your fingers, yeah? Alright, so what I'm doing right now, yeah, so I'm just putting some tomatoes as well in the soup as well, people, yeah? Good vibes. So Adam, just give me a little rinse off. Yes, people. So we're putting some tomatoes in the soup. Come in and have a look. Come in and have a look and see what's happening right now, yeah? So we're just seasoning up the pot right now, putting the tomatoes in, and we're just gonna make all of this just boil up and just become absolutely nothing inside of the pot. And this is gonna give us the color and the flavors that we're looking for later on down, especially with the pumpkin, when the pumpkin dissolves in the pot, people, yeah? We're gonna add some thyme in the pot as well. Come on, you have to put the camera on me when I'm talking as well, so you have to be multitasking. We've got a new camera personnel, people, so yeah, big up the camera personnel, you understand? We're there, so we're in Jaywick, and guess what, we're cooking some vegetable soup. Dash some thyme in the pot. Come and have a look in the pot for our good vibes. Yeah man, sir, dash some thyme in the pot, our good vibes. And what I'm gonna put in next here is some scallion, people, yeah? Yeah man, that is it. Put some scallion in the pot. You know that the scallion carries a lot of flavour and it carries a lot of aroma. Our good vibes. This is like a straight backyard thing, said way, you know. It's so authentic to be out here cooking outside for community. This community is a community population of about 4,000, because I've done a research on Google, everybody, yeah. So yeah man, we're not in a massive community. It's a tiny community, this one, people, yeah. So big up the people them of Jaywick, you understand, and big up the people them that come true, you understand, and that's been showing us support so far. Our good vibes, you understand. What we aim to do, today's our first day in Jaywick. We don't know if we're even going to be staying here overnight, people, yeah. We've got enough ingredients. Our good vibes, said we. Yes, people, so what I'm doing right now, I'm just stripping off some carrot. Yeah man, I'm just preparing the vegetables them quickly. Our good vibes just right here, you understand. So what I'm going to do is just give the carrot them a little rinse off, said way, you understand. That is it. So yeah people, I'm excited to meet some people and give them some food. So if you've ever heard of Jaywick before, put it in the comment section. If you've ever been here before, put it in the comment section, people, yeah. And where would you like to see us next? You understand? We're there right at our Jaywick right now, and we'll cook up the food in Jaywick, people, yeah. Good vibes. Like I said, there's not really like a major town centre like that in this little village. You understand? It's right next to the sea coast. It's right next to the seaside, people, yeah. So I could imagine down in the summertime, it must be quite a bit vibrant and busy out here as well. You understand? Innit, Adam?
Yeah, mate, definitely.
Must be a bit busy, innit?
Definitely.
All right. So what we're gonna do now? We're gonna put some onion in the pot, people. Yeah. A good vibe. So we put scallion. We put thyme. We put the pumpkin. We put the tomatoes. We're putting the red onions now. And after the red onions, what we're gonna put in next is some peppers. We're gonna put some peppers in, people, yeah. And this is all to add towards the flavour. We'll make the thing vibrant for the people them down here in Jaywick, people, yeah. So the red pepper here that we're gonna put in right now are good vibes. Let's give it a nice little slice down the sides. Squeeze them in together. Little crunch together. And we just slice them in, people, yeah. Slice them like this. Are good vibes. So the flavour, the peppers, each peppers now, like the red one, carries a different type of sweetness. From the yellow one and the green one, they all carry their own unique, different local flavour, people, yeah? Are good vibes.
Hey, hello. How you doing? Hello, mate.
Well,
mate. How you doing, everyone? All right? How Glenn? All right. How's it doing? Getting on all right, yeah? Yeah. Anyone?
Right, so what's happening right now, yeah, we've had to put the stove inside the caravan, people, yeah. Let me show you what I've won. So we'll put the stove inside the caravan, yeah, because it's gonna happen a lot quicker, because this is like a room environment that we're inside of here, cooking inside of the caravan right now. You understand? So there's no breeze, there's no cold temperature. So look how quick it's happening. it's moving mad quick right now. So we're gonna cook real quick right now, people. Yeah, that is it. Adam,
all good, man.
Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes.
Even having to use the candles as light. Look, this is our light source.
Yeah, literally candles.
Plenty of them.
Plenty of them. Yeah.
Burn some of them up tonight.
And then we've got a little speaker as well, so we can play some music in it.
Music. Food.
Look, you can tell that in there, Steven up.
Yes.
In there probably ain't had a temperature like that in here for a little while, innit?
Yeah.
It's proper kind of cold. It's proper cozy right now.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah. How long you been here in Jaywick?
Oh gosh, nearly 20 years.
20 years?
Yeah.
What's it like here in this community?
Oh, I mean, you get, I don't know what to
I
say.
see you got some cat food there.
Yes.
That's lovely.
You're feeding your cat?
It's not my cat.
Oh, look at that. But and I saw that you went down by the sea just a minute ago to...
Yeah, I went and fed the seagulls.
So he's fed the cat, he's fed the seagulls. So this guy here, yeah, is connected with nature, is connected with humanity. Yeah, it's putting him back love, yeah?
Right, well, I like the animals and all that.
Yeah.
So, you know.
All right, good vibes. We're cooking some food right now, you know.
Yeah. No, you said earlier.
Yeah, dinner will be ready. Dinner will be ready very soon. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah, nice one.
I just got something to do, and I'll be out, and
I'll see you very soon. See you very soon. Yeah. Yes, Roo, wagwan. Yeah, man, we're outside.
Yeah, mate.
Man like Roo, you know. Yes, little man, wagwan. You good, yeah? A good vibes. What's your name?
Mason Rogers.
Mason Rogers. What's Jaywick like?
Good. I think it's good. It's just people say it's bad, but I think it's the people around here are pretty bad.
Yeah.
You do make good friendship.
Yeah. Look, that's from the young man, you know, people. Yeah, telling you that you do make good friendship. So guess what? Keep the love. Little man here saying just keep the vibes, because if you keep the vibes, you understand. There's good people here, but there are some people that. You understand?
It's a lovely little area, mate. A lovely little area.
It is. It's alright around here. I've been here like 20 years. From Croydon myself. You know what I mean? So, yeah.
Right. What do you think of it around here compared to Croydon?
Oh, it's different. It is different. I had to try and blend in down there a bit. You know what I mean? Yeah, a bit different. People down here. When I first come there was a lot of haters down here. You know what I mean? Yeah, they didn't like outsiders and all that. But all them people all gone now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's a lot better of an experience.
A lot better, yeah. So much better it is. I love it down here. I won't never leave here. I love Croydon and all that and New Hampton, but you don't get that over there in Croydon. You know what I mean? It's like, no, the beach, you know, the beach, the sea, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I love the fishing, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I see you got your fishing rods right underneath there. Yeah, a good vibe. But look at this Sedway. Woo's allowed us to utilise his caravan, people, yeah? And this is where the cooking's going. And Woo, come, look. Look what's cooking up in your caravan today.
Oh, it's all lovely in here, man.
Look.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
That's looking good. I'll get some light in here if you want.
Yeah, no, we're good at the moment.
I've got lights, I'll just follow the lead over and...
No, this is a nice little spot you got here as well, man. I like it. It's nice.
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, nice and cosy. So dinner will be ready in about 45 minutes.
Oh, that's cool, bro.
Yeah?
I can't wait for it.
Alright, nice one.
Lovely, man.
Yeah, good vibes.
Thank you.
Everyone, so we just got a little community out here in Jaywick right now. So good vibes. Yeah, Adam noticed that the street lights are different.
Yes. Got more bright orange.
Need more. How come it's so dim?
It's always like this down there. Yeah.
So the council doesn't give a lot of street lights to look a bit. Look like.
They've only just got these fixed. They've been not.
They used to be white.
Yeah.
But now they're orange.
They changed it. Yeah.
Our good vibes is just here, and we've got the pot. We've just got the pot on in the caravan, people. Yeah. We've got our little welcome to. You understand? Our good vibes. Let's get in the kitchen and see what I go on. All right. Yeah, lift that up for me, Adam.
Ready?
Yeah. Wow. People, look. A lot of steam. Yeah, man. Things are bubbling up. So we're just going to let this just go and bubble up for about the next 10 minutes. And after it's just boiled up for the next 10 minutes, we're going to start putting like the heavy solids in the pot. Like we're going to start putting some yam, some sweet potato, some Irish potato, some plantain. Our good vibes, people. Yeah, big up yourself. Yeah, man, we're just here in Jaywick. What's your time like here so far in Jaywick, Adam?
Nice, good. Got myself a couple of souvenirs.
Yeah,
A couple of little shows to take home for the missus.
that's it.
So we're gonna go good.
Good vibes, man. Good vibes. It's nice down here. Look, caravan's all steaming, smoking. I don't think cooking like this has gone in the caravan before, people, yeah? But it's always a first time for everything. Yeah, man, it's a good vibes when you're out with the kitchen and you can get a community out at the same time. That is it. What's your experience like down in Jaywick?
You know what? The people are so friendly. Such a brilliant little place. We need to help these people out a bit more, I think.
Yeah, man, it's a nice little community, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a brilliant community.
A good
Nice and
vibes.
cleaned up.
Good
That
vibes.
is it. And we've got the, you understand, the kitchen there. Yes, people, so we're just in the caravan right now. We're just putting some heavy ingredients into the pot. Our good vibes. We might have to turn the light on so that everybody can see inside the pot properly. Yeah, man, our good vibes. We've got some light on, yeah? Yeah, our good vibes. Alright, so we've got the light, we've got the light working now, people, yeah? So you can have a look in the pot at the same time. Yeah, man, so what I'm doing, I'm just cutting up some sweet potato, peeling some sweet potato, putting it into the pot. We've got some nice flavours and some nice aroma coming out of the pot right now. With the coconut, with the garlic, with the thyme, the ginger, the scallion, the red onion. We haven't put any Scotch bonnet in yet, but we're going to put a piece of Scotch bonnet in just a second, people, yeah? A good vibe. Pick up yourself. That is it. People, yeah, man, look. So we're going to give Jaywick some yam, you know, as well, people, yeah, in the pot.
I've seen that
So,
video.
yeah, man, the pot will bubble up, so it's time for the yam to go in. Our good vibes. Alright, everyone, so look, let me just peel up some yam quickly, you know, and I joked him because maybe... Have you ever tried yam before?
No, I never tried them.
Never tried yam? Oh, come, you're cooking with me. Come, let's tell everyone your name.
My name is Mason Rogers.
Yeah, go on, and tell everyone a little bit about Jaywick.
Yeah, Jaywick is a good area, very good area. And some of the people down here ain't that good, but it's a very good area. It's a good area.
And what kind of things can you do in Jaywick?
Go swimming.
Because you've got the big old sea beside you, right?
There's a park, yep.
Motorbiking.
Motorbiking because there's tracks. Just down there, there's Seawick. You go Seawick in a car. It takes you normally like an hour to get there.
Right.
You can just walk there.
So how far does it take you to get to your local school from here?
Around 2 miles.
About 2 miles? Do you walk there or do you get a
I
bus?
take the bus.
You take the bus? So how long does it take to get to school on a bus? Come this side, come this side.
It takes around 10 minutes. 10 to 5 minutes.
Do you do much walking to
Wait
school?
longer than you do.
Yeah, I wait longer for the bus than I do to get there.
Okay, so the bus takes long. Is this your mate that's just arrived?
Yeah.
Come in. What's your mate's name?
Reese. Howard.
Reese, Wagwan. You good, yeah?
Yeah.
We're cooking some vegetable soup right now.
It's good, doesn't it?
Yep.
We're putting some yam in the pot.
Smells lovely.
Have you had yam before?
No.
Alright, look, he's gonna try some yam for the first time.
Is it a different country vegetable?
Yeah, it is. And it's
What country is it from?
it comes from Asia, Africa and the Caribbean. And it's in America as well.
Yeah.
Certain parts of America. It's a root
Have
vegetable.
you ever tried goat curry?
Goat curry.
Yeah.
I must
From
bring
Jamaica.
some. Look. Ask them if they've tried goat curry.
Have you ever tried goat curry? It's really good. It's from Jamaica.
Put it in the comment section, guys. Yes, asking you guys if you guys have tried goat curry, please. Yeah, you need to put it in the comment section if you've tried goat curry. Yeah, a good vibes. Adam, come and look in the pot. I need to show everyone what really are going on right now and where we've reached. Look, you stir up the pot right now. So everything's in the pot right now, Adam. Yeah. Can you guys see? Can you guys see in the pot?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, that is it. So look,
Looks lovely.
we're just gonna wait.
Smell that from my house, Austin.
Yeah. You hear that?
Smells lovely.
Reese said he smelled it from his house, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit more thyme in, everybody, yeah? And then I'm going to put a bit of ginger in there. Look, we're down in Jaywick.
You know when you do this at Croydon, how long does it take you to cook?
it takes a lot longer when I'm in Croydon because I'm
There's a
out.
lot more people.
Yeah, that as well, and plus we're doing it outside and it's cold. So where we're inside now, and this gas cooker is working like a home hub. It's working like a proper home hub, people. Yeah, we're on the go right now. Good vibes. Yeah, man. Look, we're gonna wash off some time and put some time in the pot.
You should have said follow Ringo Vision, man.
Yeah,
Good
man.
vibes.
That's it. Yeah, you're gonna have to. Yeah. We got some more people here.
Yeah. No, you have to say hello. You have to say hello.
It's half of the crew.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. That's it.
I'm lucky.
And welcome to Jaywick. Tell us.
I'm Alison.
You have to tell everyone welcome to Jaywick.
You are.
Welcome to Jaywick.
That's it.
I'm
That's
lucky.
it. That's it. That's it. Welcome to Jaywick, people. We're here and we're cooking in the community. We're on Humble
Avenue. Yeah.
Avenue, that's it.
Yeah, get yourself down here if you want some soap. That'd be nice. Good vibes, mate. Yeah.
You got anything else to say, little man?
Yeah, man. Please subscribe, Ringo Vision,
Come on, don't be
for
shy.
more videos like this.
Right, everyone. So what we're doing here, because it's a caravan here and it's a tiny space, what we do is just make sure.
We could just put this over here because it's
Yeah,
part of a bed.
Okay, cool, nice one. So what we'll do is just make sure that we just tidy back up. We just keep everything in the plastic bag here. Oh, good vibes, that is it. I'm just gonna wait. Complete cooking. Look, we're at the almost the grand finale. Look at that, wow! And we're in Jaywick, and this is happening in Jaywick. There's one more ingredient to go inside of this pot, people. Yeah. Could you guess what that ingredient is quickly? Put it in the comment section. That is it.
8 days.
So you're gonna be 12 in 8 days.
Yeah, man.
Look, everyone, can you just tell everyone your name?
Mason Rogers.
Look, everyone, just wish Mason Rogers a happy birthday. Early one, please, yeah? Thank you very much. Good vibes. And one of the ingredients that was missing that was to go in the pot, tell them, Mason.
Chili and
it's right there in the bag.
green beans. I don't know what they're called. Okra.
That's it. Now he's a G. Look. He's got the memory. He's got the memory, people. Yeah, look, he said green beans and he said okra. Conscious awareness, you know, understand? He's got it in his consciousness, people, yeah. A good vibe. Some chili are going in the pot right now. Look at that, wow. We just dropped 2 of them and just got them just resting there. Look at that, wow. We're in Jaywick and the food I cook.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
It really does.
Yeah. Good vibes.
We're so lucky for you to come down here.
No, you're welcome, man. We was able to bring out the community here at Jaywick, and we've got the street community out, people, yeah. Wow, the pot is inside the caravan cooking. This is just such an amazing thing. Like, we're cooking for the community.
What's your name, bro?
And that's it.
Nick.
Nick.
We got Nick here.
Yeah, I've already said hello. Not very keen on being,
No, but it's cool.
Lucky as always.
Yeah. We got Nick.
What's your name? Reese. We've also got Reese.
You got Reese. Reese, bust that pot. Let me see what's going on inside the pot, please. Let's see what's. Is that what you're in there dealing with, yeah? Big man. Big man's in there whipping up a storm for us. Like, look, he's my sous chef today, people, yeah? So big up Reese, yeah? And tell them your mate as well.
Mason.
Yeah, big up Reese and Mason.
Follow Reese Howard 51 on TikTok.
Yeah, go on, tell them now, tell them.
Follow Reese Howard 51 on TikTok.
Look, guys, yeah, you heard that. Tell them one more time.
Oh, and follow Petty Boo. I forgot the numbers.
Yeah?
That's Woo.
Woo's gonna come and do the thing as well, people. But look, let me show you what. Whee! Oh my
I had
gosh.
to lift it up a bit further because it burnt my hand.
Ooh. No. Things are going out here, no, look. No joke. Look at that. This is, yeah. We're gonna pop the okra in about 5 minutes. We're gonna pop the okra in, people.
Wait, what's
yeah.
that one for?
That one there was just to boil some hot water. That I've got hot water on deck to use. Just whether to wash my hands or whatever.
You wash your hands with hot water, boiling hot water.
But it cooled down. I waited until it cooled down. So it's warm at the moment.
Oh, that's why it's steaming.
Yeah.
You reckon you're going to try some?
Probably going to have to wait for it to cool down.
Obviously, yeah. It will be nice.
Dinner's ready in about 15-20 minutes, guys. Yeah.
I just had a banging 2 banging sandwiches around mine.
Yeah.
Because I had this really good cheese.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's better
Reece,
than them sandwiches.
what's this smell like?
I don't know. I can smell.
good?
Yeah, I've smelt that before, but I don't know what from.
Smells nice, yeah?
It smells like some sort of curry I had.
Does it smell coconutty?
Well, I don't really like Bounties, so, and I've tried coconut milk. It's basically the same, just liquid.
Yeah.
Coconut milk's a bit different to coconut water. Like, it's absolutely lovely, mate. Once you try some, you won't regret it at all.
Hello again.
I gave myself a shout out.
Yeah, what do you
Give
think?
Will a shout out and you a shout out.
Anyway, if anybody's here, go on TikTok, type in Pettiburo3 and please follow him. There's crazy videos. Eskimos.
You know, like the furry hat with me and him.
It's really good.
What do you think of the smells in the food?
Oh,
He hit me up, telling me to come in.
Smell that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You smell it?
Yeah.
And a famous bloke, and then I was like,
No.
Yeah, and
People
then
that
she
we're
was
having
joking,
we're having a vibes down here in Jaywick. You know, it's not even a joke. It's a good vibes.
Yeah.
Now, Mason, what you say? Tell me, describe
the flavours. Describe the smell.
There you go.
It smells lovely, man.
There you go. Thank you very much. And dip that in and give it a little stir for me, Mason. You have to hold it at the top. Hold it at the top. That's it.
Yeah.
Good vibes. Go on, you have to get it all down the bottom.
All the
and
way
stir
down.
it for me. That's it.
Yeah.
And what's the flavour?
Hey, Woo!
What's the flavour
We
smelling
gave me and you a shout out.
How would you describe the smell?
Describe
the flavours. How would you smell it?
The-
How would you describe it?
The describe of the smell is lovely. It smells
You
lovely.
can't even.
I can't even describe it. It
Yeah,
smells
that's
so
what I
nice.
was about to say. I can't even describe it either.
It smells lovely, man.
Caribbean sweet.
Alright, what we're gonna do, yeah, we're gonna close out the pot, yeah, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna just add the okros in a little bit. Good vibes, yeah,
I
nice.
tried picking it up, when you told me to pick it up, and it burnt me.
We have to take time, we have to take time. Yeah, man, good vibes. Alright, that is it, people, yeah. Cooking in Jaywick. So what I'm doing now, guys, yeah, I'm just adding like the last ingredient into the pot, people, yeah, which is like the okra. And once the okra goes in, that's literally it. Really, we can just start serving up. Yeah, man, it's been an amazing time so far cooking here in Jaywick. Big up Woo. His hospitality has been absolutely amazing. Woo, just tell everyone a little bit about Jaywick some more, and then.
Jaywick's alright. It's a good place, really. You come down here, you love the holidays down here in the summer. You know, everyone flocks down here in the summer all the time. But winter. You do get people like in poverty and all that, so what you're doing is a good thing. So, you know, Jaywick as a bad place is not really a bad place. It's lovely, isn't it, boys? We
It's
love
just
it
the
down here.
people that are bad. It's the place is just lovely. It's just the people.
Some of the people.
Yeah,
Some
most
of
of
them.
them.
Not
Yeah.
all the people, some of them.
Yeah.
Some of them can be a pain in the head.
Yeah, a bit like you sometimes.
How would you describe the flavours?
The flavours, oh man, so I've never smelt nothing like this before in my life. It smells nice.
What do you remind? Just
Are you happy, mate? You will
anything
always
that comes to
watch this
mind?
guy.
Smells a bit like Indian food, like I don't know. I'm not really sure. I've never had stuff like
It's
this.
got that
before,
sweet,
so, yeah, sweet,
spicy smell
yeah,
to it.
Yeah, I can smell that. Yeah, ginger, I can smell that as well. What else is in there? What else in there? We've got Scotch bonnet to go in there.
We've got garlic, we've got ginger, we've got Scotch bonnet pepper,
There you go.
we've just added the okra, we've got red onions. Yeah, man, we've got yam, sweet potato, Irish
Where did that
potato.
cushion for that guy?
Yeah, good vibes, good vibe. We've got scallion in there, everything's in there, some tomatoes in there. So we're kind of like almost just ready to start serving up in about 5 minutes now. Now the okra's gone in and we've got some texture in the pot, people, yeah. We can just start serving up in about 5 minutes. Coming on very, very nicely. Good vibes. Good vibes.
Donnie, listen.
Look at this pot, everyone. Look, we're just there. Lucky's out there doing this thing. How good vibes said we anyway. That is it. Look, we're just here, people, yeah, and we're just almost at that completion. I'm just gonna close out the pot because we're gonna just let all the flavors just lock in, and then we can just start serving up, people, yeah, in about 5 minutes. Our good vibes. That is it.
All good vibes, man.
All good vibes.
Loving it down in Jaywick.
Yeah, man.
That is it.
How we doing?
Yeah, we're doing good. Jaywick. We there.
Hey, done it?
Yeah, we outside, man. We're cooking inside the caravan there. Can't get better than that, you know. Good vibes.
Come here, would you?
Come here, would ya?
Come here, would you?
I'll fight you for your shoes.
Fight you for a trailer.
Say that
I'll
again.
fight you for a fiver.
Say that again. Say that again. Say that again.
I'll fight you for your shoes.
Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. Look, one love, brother. We've got some homemade wine here. What a vibes. What a vibes.
Damson, I can't remember now.
Slower Damson. Go on.
Let's try some. Let's try some.
Yeah.
Cheers to you, Ringo.
Cheers.
Cheers, man.
And cheers to you, Willie. Thank you very much. What it is, we're gonna give the gentleman his first cup of soup because we can't all be cheers, and you're gonna get the first.
That's almost like a cherry bee.
Yeah, once again, you're getting the first cup of soup here. Good vibes.
I can't remember his name. Where's,
You tasted it.
Yeah.
Mason, come. Get a cup
where's
out,
the other
please.
two?
We'll do it.
No, I got him.
You come in here rough.
Yeah, and then
Fuck's sake. Right.
Strong, isn't it?
some powerful stuff. Big up Jaywick people, yeah. And this one's on Jaywick, and you guys have been absolutely amazing. This journey here that you guys have enabled us to be able to travel. This is what it's all about, supporting the channel. We've been able to travel and come all the way down to Jaywick. Look, Wooly, when we got here, yeah, he shouted out, Ringo! So look, the universe, he said that he was thinking about just wanting to come down to Croydon and link up. And then I was thinking about wanting to come to Jaywick, and the universe has just connected it. As we got to Jaywick here, we've met into this guy here.
It's fate. It's fate, mate. That's what it is.
Yeah. And look, we're all gonna have a cup of soup. Look, let's get this going.
Let's try that soup.
Yeah, let's try the soup because this is what it's really about, everyone. Yeah.
Hot, mate.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So let's make some.
Mason, tell us what's going on in
How's the soup?
It's good, man. I tried it. It's really good.
Really hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Let's get the gentleman outside. His wine's still running through my chest right now. His wine is very powerful.
Oh, yeah, that's got some flavour.
It's almost like cherry beer, isn't it?
Almost like cherry B, Adam.
Yeah.
Getting the sweet potato going on in there as well. That is it.
Cheers.
You're welcome. Good vibes. Alright, Adam, do you want one?
Yes, my brother.
Good vibes.
Tell us, what do you think?
It's really good. Really good. Really hot. Really hot. I can taste everything he's put in there, isn't it? Like, every time I have a swig, I taste a different taste. And like, it's really nice, really good. Sweetness, bitterness. It's really good. Yeah. All of them combined, it's lovely, though. Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Thank you, Jaywick. Thank you, Jaywick. Thank you, Jaywick, for having us. Very nice community here in Jaywick people. Yeah. Adam.
Good stuff, man. Really good stuff.
Mason.
Really good, man.
Oh, it's lovely. It's really good.
And look.
Warm you up as well. It's a bit warming. Yeah, it's really good, Nick.
Woo! Mmm. It's good.
Oh, that is good.
Yeah, it's happening, man. Cheers.
I don't know where everyone else went.
Cheers. They've gone to the shop, but yeah, everyone will come. So as we're here, people, yeah, we're just gonna have good vibes, man. We're just gonna hand out the soup, and we're just gonna have a cup of soup as well. Big up yourself. Thank you very much, everybody. Yeah, we're still here. We're still in Jaywick. We're gonna have a look at spin around and collect some people, you understand, and give them some soup, people. Yeah, so as you can see that the soup is here and it's ready, and I'm here. I'm in the caravan, people, yeah, and it's so welcoming that to be here.
Yes.
Good vibes, man. I think they're gonna love this one. Everything's on point, people. Yeah, all the flavors, as Bully said. You can taste everything. The coconut, the garlic, the ginger, even Ringo Vision in these cold time has to take a sip from a cup once in a while as well, people. Yeah, especially that we're far out of port, and I know that I'm not gonna get anything else like this again until I reach back home again, people. Yeah, so when I'm out in far places like this, I have to drink a cup of soup as well and keep my thing going as well, people. Yeah, can't take no chances out here, so you know how vital the soup is. One more thing I want to say to you guys as well. You guys have been absolutely amazing on the journey, supporting. That's been a part of the journey. You guys have helped us to come down to Jaywick. You understand? And Jaywick is a very, very nice place, a very, very nice community. It is deprived, and a lot more can be done, and a lot more can happen here in Jaywick. I've seen it myself. There's houses that are empty. There's plots of lands that you can build on. So there's spaces for the community to have even things like a community centre, a games club, an internet facility that's offering like places like an internet hub, where people could go and use the internet, where people could go and use Wi-Fi, do some filing, some online work. Yeah. Because imagine, you know, some companies offer you to work online. Yeah. Yeah. So imagine if there was an internet hub down here with like 20 computers. Yeah, you could go in the morning and work from home, like in the internet hub, like for a job here in Jaywick. That'd be handy, wouldn't it? And that will bring money into the community as well. That's right. Yeah, it would do. It'd help people out as well. You know what I mean? Like, you know, it needs everything it needs down here. Like, you know, Jaywick got left out for a long time down here, and then it's only like in the last few years, about 4 years, I think. Yeah. And they've only just started like helping down here and all that, but they do what they can. But yeah. The road at the top of Jaywick, they won't fix it. They won't fix the road at all. You know what I mean? And then the buses won't run down here either. Yeah. So everyone's got to walk up to the top end. So it's just one thing after another with the council at the moment. But they are trying, but then they're also letting people down a little bit as well. So. At the same time? Yeah, that's right. And I've seen ways like, for instance, like imagine if there was an internet cap here. Yeah. That means you could work from home in an internet cap and do some online work for a company. That's right, yeah. You know, whether it's office work and all you have to do is just have internet. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, man. Come here, you. Whiskers, we've got Whiskers in the house. Big up Whiskers. He smelled the pot and he's wants to get the food. Wants to get the food. Whiskers, man. You go over it. Sorry about that. That would be really handy for something like that down here. You know, there's enough space down here to do it. 100%. You know what I mean? I've walked around and I've seen what could be implemented to make the community a more uplifting and a vibrant place. There's just no opportunity for that at the moment. Like the council don't want to do that for us. That's why it's, if you look at it, like, you know, it is a bit down and out, but it wouldn't be that down and out if the council helped more. You get what I'm saying? So, you know, and but we've got a young man like this young man here. He needs these type of facilities because he's young and he needs opportunity in life as well. That's right, yeah. So he can't just be growing up and he's good on computers as well. There you go. Really good. Yeah, and help her out all the time. Yeah, see, I can't read, so I can't read and write. So he does everything like that for me all the time. So. See, and it's important for him even to have like a computer as well, even like a little laptop. Yeah. And how does it go for internet down here as well? Oh, we've got internet, we've got house broadband and all that down here. It's got fibre down there, full fibre. Yeah? It's all down there. That's good then. It's just, like you said, if they'd done an internet cafe, it'd help big time for people down there. So. Yes, I mean, I haven't got the internet because I don't want to pay for it. You say you're not paying for the internet? I have to be careful. He's a dinosaur, so he's not going to pay for the internet. I respect that. Fred Flintstone didn't, so why should you? Oh well, I mean,
I do. I know how to use it and all that sort of thing. So
Yeah.
It's not that.
It's money situations.
Yeah, I mean, I've got to be careful with my money.
Definitely. You hear that, guys? Yeah. He said you have to be careful.
Nick helps
Not
everyone.
that I want everybody to know.
Yeah.
Nick helps me all the time, don't you, Nick?
Yeah.
Nick's a good person. He helps me a lot.
Big up
Stopped
Nick.
me from getting kicked out of my house and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, helped me get a solicitor and stuff. You know.
Big up Nick, man.
Let me live with him for 3 months.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good man. Good man. Respect, Nick.
Yeah.
Well done.
Done really well.
Nice.
They saved me and
Yeah.
got me home.
It's nice stuff, isn't it?
Lovely.
Tarbler, as they say. How you doing?
How you doing? Yeah, I've just come.
That's why they're here.
I don't think it's ever going to stop raining.
That's why I let them in caravan.
What's the council?
No, this is good. There you go, officer.
You're a star. Thank you very much, my friend.
You're welcome.
I wish you the best next couple of days. Have a Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Cheers. Cheers.
Does your colleague want one as well?
I think she's fine.
I'm fine, thank you though, I'm fine.
She'll regret it.
Should we regret it?
Yeah. She'll do that.
It'll warm you up.
All right,
it's
so look,
lovely.
we're in Jaywick, everyone, and
I would say it's got a bit of a Thai flavour to it.
yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
Lemongrass.
Lovely. Is it? What would you give that out of 10 then?
I'm going to give that a 9.5.
Lovely.
No, I like that.
Thai.
And who's made the soup?
A chef, by the sounds of things.
Yes,
man,
me and this young man here, he's been my shoe chef today.
Oh, have you?
We've
So
done
have you been chopping?
You've done a very good job.
Yeah? Have you been?
He's been my assistant.
Ah,
Yeah.
very
No,
good.
I think it's the other way round. I think you've been his assistant.
Yeah, man.
That's what I reckon.
Don't try and big yourself up, fella. we know the boss is round here.
He's the boss. He's the boss. He's
Yeah.
the boss. He's the boss.
Tomorrow he's doing salmon.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love
Mate,
it.
go and get the stock, eh?
Yeah, go down there and fish for it.
So what's it like here in Jaywick then?
At the moment, quite damp.
But
Generally, I think the vibe is very community-based.
very community based.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
We've come here all the way from London, and
Oh, wow.
we've just been welcomed in. We've come in with
Which
our
part
pots
of London
and
have you been in?
we're just cooking up.
Croydon.
Croydon.
So you've come here to cook soup for everyone.
That's it.
Amazing.
And just to get entwined with the community, meet someone in the community.
Well, if you go
and
to
just-
the community hall,
Yeah.
you'll see loads of people in there. The
Well,
Knitting Natter, the Lunch Club,
we've met
the
this
Bingo
gentleman
Club.
here, and he's been so kind enough to let us come in the caravan and just have a cook up.
Well,
Oh, nice.
And then that's how you've come along, and you've been able to have a sip, keep warm as well.
There you go.
it's very nice.
Keep going.
Very nice. Right, gentlemen, thank you very much. Cheers.
Have a good night.
Well done, my friends.
Yeah, well done for cooking all the soup.
I don't know what role he played, but I think he's minor.
See you later. Take care. Have a nice Christmas. Bye.
Good vibes. Good vibes. Good vibes.
Yeah, it looks like pumpkin.
Whoa.
It's lovely.
Lovely.
It's so good, I've been digging my fingers down it.
Woo! And I'm enjoying it as well, everyone.
Nice done, brother.
Good vibes.
Go on.
Your next one, Adam.
Yeah, I love thirds.
You can hear Reese and Lucky coming. Reese.
Hello, Rose. You been good?
Yeah.
Good boy. I hope you have.
There you go, Reese.
Race.
Is that somebody's or is that one?
Mate, it's very hot.
Yeah, I got one for it to cool down.
Give it a little. Oh yeah, wait for it to cool down and.
Lucky, do you want a soup?
Man, I haven't been to Surrey Street Market in years, man. Last time I went to Surrey Street Market, yeah, I went on my granddad's shopping.
Good vibes.
You say I'm lucky, mate. You got
Yo, thank you, Ringo Vision. Lovely, beautiful soup.
Good vibes.
Beautiful, good vibes. Good people.
Down in Jaywick.
And we just want to say thank you to Wooly for just welcoming us here with his family and everyone in the community as well, people, yeah, to actually come in his caravan, homely place. We actually cooked dinner here in the caravan, people.
Yeah, good vibes. Good vibes.
Good vibes. You can't get better than this. Look, we just fed the whole bill as well.
Yeah.
The whole bill just came through and got soup.
Oh, I see the police walking.
Yeah, they just came for soup as well.
Oh, nice. Good vibes, man.
Good vibes. Good vibes. Good vibes.
We missed it.
Yeah, we saw them coming though.
Yeah, no, we did.
Yeah.
Most definitely, I am coming back down to Jaywick again, people. Yeah, we have fed some people, and we're here. We're in the community. You understand? And Jaywick is a very nice place. You understand, people? Yeah. It's not that much of the best weather, but the weather's been all right. We always make it work. The weather never stops us from doing what we need to do, but you understand? We've come down to Jaywick, and I just think that the people down here have been absolutely amazing. Woolies allowed us to use his caravan, and we're just gonna hold the vibes for a little while as well down here while we're here, and just chill out. You understand? That is it. Our good vibes, innit?
Yeah, good vibes, bro.
Good vibes. Now look, we've got a challenge going on, just like that. A challenge is a pair.
I'm gonna take 2.
No. Lucky, you're not a bad man like that.
No,
Yeah,
of
one for
course
me and
not.
one for Lucky.
No, but I'll spot one. I'll spot one. One each, or less.
What we're looking for right now, everyone, yeah?
You ready, guys? Stand up. Stand up. You ready? We're gonna box a spot.
We're gonna show Jaywick. Oh, the spice is done.
Wait.
The
we find
Spice
them,
King.
come on.
The Spice King.
Where is this Scotch bonnet, people?
Man.
Alright, look, this is the best part of the day.
Raw.
Oh,
Seeds and everything.
Oh, look at the seeds. Jesus.
Come on.
I can already feel the heat. I ain't even tasting it.
Who's having that? Look, I can smell it. Who's having that half?
Come on.
Adam.
Come on, split that in half for you and him. Come on, let's go. Alright, that's not even half. But you taking the big half, Lucky, yeah?
Yeah?
Oh,
You're brave,
on,
man. You're brave. Go on, lads.
Ready?
Come on, we're ready.
Oh, he's on
Go
it.
on.
Oh,
On you. Keep it down.
This
Oh,
one
he's on it. You on it?
Keep it down.
fire.
We're ready for the last.
Tune
Look,
as
that
well.
one.
The blast.
Oh, what?
Now listen.
That's all good.
Good. Smell this, bro. Smell that.
Oh.
You alright, lads?
Oh.
I'm good, man.
Look at his complexion.
Right, mine's gone. Oh. I need my hat on. Mine's gone.
Oh, bless you.
Oh, jeez.
I had the worst part of it, man.
No, fuck ya. Oh.
He's got beer here. What's beer, though?
Oh.
Bit beer?
Please, sir.
No, it's fine.
Oh. I'm sweating.
One from the car.
Yeah, grab me one from the car,
Yeah,
please.
go on,
How we feeling?
He probably passed out if he does that. Go on.
Oh.
How you feeling? Alright?
Nice and warm. Toasty.
Well, I won't be doing that again.
Come on, look at this.
Oh, mate.
That cold weather.
Go on.
Mason, don't do that.
The worst part.
I've done it before.
Cold weather.
Nah, Mason, you've never had a Scotch bonnet before.
Yeah, I have had a
Yeah, you
Scotch
tried
bonnet.
one of you.
Oh, this guy's
I've
hard.
run over the road.
What?
I've had a Scotch bonnet before.
A whole one like
I
that?
had a massive magnum because it was so hot.
What?
Yeah, you had that big ice cream for him.
Mate.
Can I do a goofy smile on camera?
Of course you can.
And I've had a red hot pepper as well. And I had to have 3 glasses of milk.
Nah, look, good vibes. Look, we're here. We're at Jaywick. Jaywick's a vibes, people. Yeah, I love it down there. Yeah, man. I'm coming back. I'm coming back very soon. Man.
Yeah, you're welcome, mate. You're welcome.
Adam's back in the house, people.
I've got the worst part with all the seeds.
Yeah, nah, Adam's a bad man. Whoa. Yeah. Right, so what I'm doing now, everyone, yeah, I'm just putting the soups in the tub for everyone. Good vibes.
Very good vibes. Woo, come on, say good vibes.
Good vibes first.
Good vibes,
Sharice, what did you think of the soup?
Ooh, it's quite good actually.
Yeah?
Well, I'll say quite, but I mean very good. Yeah. Everybody, I guarantee, going all over the country and looking for this guy.
Yeah.
I guarantee you should. That's a good idea for everybody to do. He's a really good cook.
Amazing.
It's like a chef.
He's a chef.
So Ringo, how's the time down there?
Here you go, Ringo. He's got a top there.
Thank you.
There you go, Ringo.
Nice. Now the time here has been, it's been good, it's been great.
Good vibes.
Good vibes, yeah. Definitely good vibes.
Good vibes, man. You like it down here then, Zingo?
Yeah, love it down there.
We got a big up Boo
Yeah, mate.
for letting us use his caravan.
Notice my caravan's leaking a bit now. Oh, good roof there.
Here's the next. There you go, mate.
Nice one, thank you.
Where are you getting these tubs from?
I bought them.
Yeah, where are they? Where? Got a couple more cups.
I think that one's a bit wounded.
Tablets there. Oh, you can't.
Is that round 2? Oh, that's round 3. There you go. And this is the messed up one. I fixed it.
Alright, let's see it.
And then there's a top in the bottom.
Crush you.
Yeah, perfect. Fixed it.
Who did you sweet? You got all hard variety.
Well, it was Lucy that gave him the sweets.
I'm her. I'm him.
Well,
it was Lucy that gave you the sweets.
Calm down.
Yeah, so what we're doing, leave a planting as well, yeah?
Yes, please, yeah.
Yeah, leave a plant. So we're going to leave a bit of everything, a little bit of ingredients as well. Here and Jay with people, yeah? So good vibe, so I'll go, so this little bag here.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good vibe.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
And this is like a...
Oh, the mix, yeah?
Mix.
Oh, lovely. Thank you.
Yeah. And that's for the pumpkins.
Oh,
so you
yeah.
can make a little
Yeah.
bit of soup.
Oh, lovely.
And
thank you.
what I do is as well, give you a pack of stock.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, cheers.
Yeah.
Thank you for that.
And that you and the kids can make some soup
Yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah, we do that, yeah?
Yeah,
we do that. Yeah. Good vibes, thank you.
Oh, you can't leave out the Scotch bonnet.
Oh, Scotch bonnet, yeah? Scotch bonnet, everyone.
Yeah, we got to crunch it up into 3 pieces and eat it.
The coconut, yeah?
Yeah.
I just split it and put it all in there.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Just let it boil in there, just let it boil out.
Okay. Right.
Yeah?
Yeah, make it
Thank
big
you.
up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. We give that a try, won't we, boy?
Yeah, so...
Thank you.
Good vibes.
Good
vibes, everyone.
Good vibes, yeah.
Good vibes.
Yes.
Yeah, good vibes. Let's see what we've got in there.
Yeah, give me
Yeah,
a
you've
load.
got a lot.
Continuing the mission.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you can put stuff in there and just, yeah.
Down there, man. Look, family hug.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, that's it. Good vibes, good vibes,
Oh,
good vibes.
I'm too stuck.
It's a midget.
Alright, everyone, look.
Cheers.
Jaywick was absolutely amazing people, yeah, and I'll definitely come back down there again.
Yeah,
man.
we'll be here. We'll
We'll
be
always
here.
be here.
Cheers,
Big
brother.
up.
Big up, brother.
That is it.
Yeah, we love it.
Good vibes.
Alright,
It's been wonderful. Thank you very much.
Look at Play Boo, guys.
Thanks for having us.
Everybody,
No,
look at
that's
Play
fun.
Boo.
That's fun. Anytime, man.
Alright,
Happy
good
number.
vibes. So look
Hey,
out, yeah,
Ringo.
we're going to be back down in Jaywick
Ringo,
again
tell
very
us to
soon,
look at
people.
Play
Yeah.
Boo.
Look at Betty Boo.
Hey.
Petty Boo, Petty Boo.
Yes.
Good vibes, good vibes.
She's a
One
TikToker.
love. That is it.
Yes.
She found it. Keep it. Yeah. Oh, I was going to say, keep it.
Hey, see you later. Take care. Bye.
Nice one, guys.
One love. Yeah, one love.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
See you on live, yeah.
Alright, see you on live. Yeah.